Hello everyone, my name is Anil. Let's see how to host a website using GitHub. First go to a browser, select any browser. I am using Firefox. Go to your GitHub account and log in using your Gmail ID and password. And top left corner you can see plus icon, right? You click on this, a drop down will be coming. Click on new repository. Basically you are creating a repository so that we can host our website. So give a name to your repository. I am giving MRU clone. Then scroll down. Here you can see add a readme file. You check this box and then create new repository. Then here you click on add file, then click on upload files. You go to File Explorer, go to your project folder, here my website, then you select on these files and drag here. You can see files are uploading. Uploading is completed. Then scroll down and click on commit changes. After this our files will be processed. Okay, now you can see our files are added to our repository. Files are uploaded to repository. This is our repository MRU clone. Then you just go to settings and then it's in general settings, right? You go to pages. Here it is pages. Then below branch near none you select main and then save. Okay, you can see here GitHub page source saved. After saving, wait for 2-3 minutes. Okay. Just refresh it. Okay, it's taken some time. Refresh. Okay, you can see it just took 1 minute to host our website. So here you can see, right, your site is live at, they have given us a link. When you click on that link you can see this is our website clone which I made. So this is how you host a website using GitHub. You just save this link, copy this link and forward it to wherever you want, or just you can paste here and click enter. Your website is live. You can open this website from in phones wherever you want. Just copy this link. This is how you host your website using GitHub. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe button.